Hidden sugars, danger in plain sight. Every day, our favorite foods hide a secret danger. Many seemingly healthy choices conceal added sugars that gradually undermine our well being. Studies reveal that 74% of packaged foods, even savory items like bread and pasta sauce, carry hidden sugars listed under various names. These sugars contribute to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease, making it essential to stay alert. Imagine replacing sugary drinks with a refreshing glass of water or unsweetened herbal tea. Visualize enjoying whole foods, fresh fruits, crisp vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, instead of processed and sugary alternatives. Cooking at home allows you to control ingredients. A pinch of cinnamon, a dash of vanilla, or ripe mashed bananas can naturally sweeten your recipes without the hidden cost. Mindful label reading empowers you to spot ingredients like high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, or dextrose, arming you with knowledge to make healthier choices. As cravings lure you toward flavored yogurts, cereals, and condiments full of disguised sugars, small daily swaps can transform your health. Each mindful change builds resilience against the risks of excessive sugar intake. Embrace a lifestyle that values clear, honest nutrition and sustainable habits over fleeting indulgence. Every small, mindful swap not only enhances your daily energy, but also builds a foundation for long-term wellness and renewed confidence in your health journey indeed. Your journey to lasting wellness begins with a single step. Transform your eating routine, empower your body with pure natural foods, and reclaim control over your health. Start reading labels today to uncover hidden sugars and embrace a healthier lifestyle.